Hello everyone, my name is Shantanu Pal. Today we will discuss about cloud computing in 5 minutes. I would like to request everyone, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications for my latest videos in YouTube. So this is the course outline for today's session. First is that what is cloud computing, then how it works, what are the benefits and disadvantages of the cloud computing, then we will discuss about the conclusion for this session. Now, what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is an on-demand computing services over the internet. If we will see the features of cloud computing, we can say that cloud computing service can be private or public. We can refer as the private cloud computing service as AWS, or we can refer as that public cloud computing service as Salesforce. It includes storage and server management as well as it supports natural language processing, it supports multiple database operations and many more. The most advantage point is that on cloud computing, we don't need to manage any hardware or software to avail this service. It supports multi-tenant architecture, that means this model enables multiple users to use the single application. It supports pay-as-you-go basis model. Basically, we will get the service as much as we have paid. Now, how it works? Basically, cloud computing model supports 3 protocols. First is that communication is being established between client and remote servers. So, communication is managed by the central server. That means it distributed the resources to the nearest remote servers, as well as the entire cloud computing service model depends on the nodal points over the internet framework. Governor limit is managed by the multi-tenant architecture in the cloud computing model. Now, we will discuss about the benefits of the cloud computing. First is that cost effective. As we have discussed, we don't need to manage any hardware or software to avail this service. So, customers don't need to buy any hardware or don't need to buy any infrastructure to get this service. So, definitely this service is cost effective. It supports quick data recovery feature. That means data is recovered in very short span of time. When server is down, it distributed the data or resources to the remote servers in a very short span of time. It supports multi-tenant architecture, that's why the speed is increased rather than other model. Now, many cloud computing service providers install high-level security scanners to maintain the global standard security policy. One drawback is on cloud computing model, or rather than you can say that the disadvantage of the cloud computing is it supports multi-tenant architecture, that's why it has limited resource for each customer in the public cloud model. So when developer will write any code or developer will develop any model on the cloud computing platform, they need to maintain the governor limit during their development. Remember, cloud computing is not the new technology. Probably cloud computing concept was coming in early 2000, most probably. Currently many companies are using cloud computing service to get or avail the benefits of on-demand computing model over the internet. So, for today's session we have learned about cloud computing, the features of cloud computing, how it works, and we have seen what are the benefits and disadvantages of the cloud computing service. As well as we have learned what is the multi-tenant architecture and what is the importance of the multi-tenant architecture. Thank you everyone. You can reach me at my email ID to shantanupal@gmail.com, as well as you can reach me at my website www.shantanu@online.com, or you can reach me my LinkedIn and Twitter profile. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.